objectives. Today we are going to talk about how you can insert image into a shape in Microsoft Word. So step 1, you will go to your insert, you will find shapes. You can pick or choose any shape of your choice. For instance, you have choose this cone. You can also go to shapes again and choose another one. Second step, go to shape fill, pictures, and you can choose any picture of your choice. You can see the picture has been inserted. Shape fill, pictures, you can see the picture has been inserted. Thanks so much for watching this episode. You can subscribe and like for more videos like this. Thanks.